Hello everyone, welcome back with Inventor tips and tricks how to draw conduit. First I will create new part. You can click here new and I will choose standard in millimeter. Click create. To draw part for conduit you can use a star 3D sketch. Click here star 3D sketch and I will use line tools. You can also press shift button, hold and press middle mouse to use orbit tools. And then I will start from this point. We can move in red axis to green axis. The next you can select at this plane and we can move in blue axis. Okay, select again at this face. We can move in red axis. The last in green axis to the bottom here. So we create this simple path. And you can right click OK. Now in here I will use bend tools with default radius 5. I will bend in here. Also at this point. The next in here. And the last in this corner. Click finish. Now you can go to start to the sketch. Okay, I will select at this face. And now in here we can create circle. Start from this point. Move into here. I will create again from this point into here. You can click finish sketch. So we have this profile and also this is for path. You can use a sweep tools. Click here sweep. For profile you can select at this region profile. And then for path you can select this 3D sketch. You can click here for path, select this 3D sketch. So it will be automatically create conduit. You can click OK to apply. Yes. Okay, we already create this simple conduit with Inventor software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.